Alright, so the first game on the list is Race the Sun. It's basically a jet-based game where you have to tap on left and right part of your screen to steer that particular jet, and your basic goal is to collect all the coins without hitting onto any obstacles in the game. The more you go, the different the places will become. So this is basically how the game works, and as I said, it's a jet-based game, jet or like spaceship kind of a thing. And not only that, you can also configure your jet and also change the shape of your jet after unlocking enough points to do that. So it's really a fun game to play, and I'm sure you will love when you try this. The link is in the description below. You can download and check it out. So hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and this video is all about 5 interesting games that can help you kill your boredom. So watch this video till the end because it's really interesting and all the games are really fun to play with. And also smash the like button and share this video with all of your friends for the efforts taken to make this video possible to reach more and more people. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I post any new video, that will come to you as soon as that. So now let's get started. So the next game on the list is Motorskill Madcross 3, which is basically a motocross racing game where you have to win the race. But apart from that, you will also require to finish some objectives like doing a backflip in the race and also doing certain tasks which they ask you to do. It is a fun physics-based racing game, and the controls is very simple. There will be a throttle and a brake button, and apart from that, there will also be a lean forward and a lean backward button to control the motion while your bike is in the air. So it's a fun motocross racing game. You have to definitely try it because the physics and the overall gameplay is really good, and yes, of course, it's really addictive and fun to play. The link is in the description below. Just try it out and let me know. So the next game on the list is called as Light It Up, where you have to make your character jump from one obstacle to another. Basically, there will be different boxes and rectangles on the screen where you have to make the character jump from one obstacle to another, and not only that, you also have to collect all those stars while you jump from one place to another. So the game is basically a progression based game where the difficulty increases level on level, and initially it will be very easy, but when you go further it will become very difficult. And the game looks fantastic too, especially with the neon lighting kind of effect. The game is visually appealing too, so yeah, it is fun to play as well as good to see visually. So just try this game. The link is in the description below. It's really fun to play. The game is called as Light It Up. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below after you play this game. So the next game is a very small game but really addictive to play, and the game's name is called as Bridge Race. There'll be different characters in different colors, and if you are a character with green color, then you have to collect all the green color tiles and build a bridge to go across from one place to another. And this is also a progression based game where the difficulty gets higher and higher as you complete level by level. So yes, initially it will be very easy, but when you go on and on, it will be very difficult where the other players will start building a bridge even in your path. So you have to be very quick and very fast in your movement, and yeah, it is a fun game, and the more you go, the more fun it will become. So you will have a great time playing this game called as Bridge Race. So the last and final game is called as Johnny Trigger. It is a fun action shooter game where your character Johnny will jump from one place to another in slow motion, and by the time you have to kill all those enemies by tapping onto the screen. This is also a progression based game where initially the game will be very easy to play but will get challenging from level to level. So it is a fun game. The best part about this game is the slow motion jump the character performs, which makes it really look sick. Yes, it is like playing Max Payne on phone but in 2D version. So yeah, it's a weird comparison, but it is what it is. I'm sure you will love playing this game because it is really interesting. So these were some of the cool games that I tried recently to kill my boredom. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below on which one of these are your favorite games. Like this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible. Share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it acts like a motivation for making better and better content. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get constant updates of whatever the video that I post on my channel, because I post tech videos daily. So yeah, this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.